Have you ever gone to a doctor and suddenly forgotten every English word you knew?
Oh, yes. You know English, but when the doctor asks, "What's the problem?" your mind goes completely blank.
If that has ever happened to you, don't worry.
Because by the end of today's episode, you'll know exactly what to say from the moment you call the clinic until you collect your medicine.
And before we begin, please like this video, subscribe to EFZ English, and share this episode with someone who wants to speak English confidently.
All right, David, let's get started.
Alice, you don't look like yourself today.
Really?
Yeah, you look a little tired.
Well, I didn't sleep very well last night.
Oh no, what happened?
I've had a really bad headache, and my throat has been hurting too.
Ouch, that doesn't sound good.
It isn't.
Quick question for everyone listening. If your head hurts, do you say, "My head is paining," or "I have a headache"? Take 3 seconds.
The correct answer is, I have a headache.
Exactly. Native English speakers usually say, I have a headache, not my head is paining. That's a very common mistake.
Good one, David. I think our listeners will remember that now.
So, Alice, what's the first thing you should do?
I think I should call the clinic.
Exactly. Let's pretend you're making the phone call. Ring, ring, ring.
Good morning, City Clinic. How may I help you today?
Hello, I'd like to make an appointment with the doctor, please.
Of course. May I have your name?
My name is David Brown.
Thank you, Mr. Brown. What seems to be the problem?
I've had a headache and a sore throat for 2 days.
I see. Is Tuesday morning at 10 o'clock okay for you?
Yes, that's perfect. Thank you.
Please arrive 15 minutes early. We'll see you then. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Let's practice together. Repeat after me. I'd like to make an appointment.
Again, I'd like to make an appointment.
One more time. Nice and clearly. I'd like to make an appointment.
Perfect.
Now, David, quick question for you. What if 10 o'clock isn't good for someone?
Easy. You can say, is there another time available?
That's useful. Or maybe, is Wednesday afternoon available?
Exactly. Very polite, very natural.
Okay. It's Tuesday morning. You arrive at the clinic. What's the first thing you see?
The reception desk.
Right. Good morning. How can I help you?
Hello. My name is David Brown. I have an appointment at 10 o'clock.
Welcome, Mr. Brown. Could you please fill out this form? Then have a seat in the waiting room.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Alice, what's a waiting room?
It's the place where patients sit and wait for the doctor.
Simple enough. But here's another one. What's a patient?
A patient is the person receiving medical care.
So today, I'm the patient.
Exactly.
Now, you're sitting in the waiting room. What are you doing?
Checking my phone every 30 seconds.
And pretending not to notice how long you're waiting.
Exactly. Every 5 minutes, I look at the clock.
We've all done that.
Quick challenge for you. What's the English word? Appointment or meeting? Which one do we usually use with a doctor? Take a second.
The answer is appointment.
Exactly. You have an appointment with a doctor, not a meeting.
David Brown,
Yes, that's me.
please come with me.
Before we continue, do you know what the nurse checks first?
Your vital signs?
Exactly. Can you name some of them?
Temperature? Blood pressure? Weight.
Perfect. Let's hear how that sounds. Please step onto the scale. I'd like to check your weight.
No, not the scale.
Don't worry. It only takes a second.
Okay. Done.
Great. Now please have a seat. I'm going to check your blood pressure.
Does it hurt? Not at all. The cuff feels a little tight, but only for a few seconds.
Good to know.
Now, I'm going to check your temperature. Please stay still.
Sure.
Everything looks good. The doctor will see you in just a few minutes.
And now it's time to meet the doctor.
This is the part everyone worries about. What if I don't understand the doctor's questions?
Don't worry. We'll teach you exactly what to say, how to describe your symptoms, how to understand the doctor's questions, and what happens during the examination.
All right, David. Are you ready?
As ready as I'll ever be.
Good, because the doctor is about to come in.
Good morning. I'm Dr. Smith. How are you today?
Good morning, doctor. I'm not feeling very well.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. What seems to be the problem?
I've had a headache, a sore throat, and I've been feeling very tired for the last 3 days.
I see. Did your symptoms start suddenly, or did they get worse over time?
They started slowly, but yesterday they became much worse.
Have you had a fever?
Yes, a slight fever last night.
Any coughing?
A little, mostly at night.
Okay.
Thank you for explaining everything so clearly. That really helps.
Everyone, did you notice something? Instead of saying, "My throat is paining," speaker 2 said,
I have a sore throat.
exactly. That's the natural way to say it. I'd like to examine you now.
Sure.
First, please open your mouth wide and say, ah. Very good. Your throat looks a little red. Now, I'm going to listen to your breathing. Please take a deep breath in. Now I'm going to check your ears. This little instrument is called an otoscope. Please stay still. Excellent. Everything looks fine. Now, let me gently press your neck. Does this hurt?
Just a little.
Okay. Thank you. Sometimes the doctor asks, "Does it hurt here?"
You can answer, yes, a little. Or, no, not at all.
Well, the good news is, I don't think it's anything serious. It looks like you have a viral infection. You should get plenty of rest, drink lots of water, and take this medicine.
Will I be okay in a few days?
Yes, you should start feeling better very soon. Here's your prescription.
Thank you very much, doctor.
You're welcome. Take care.
All right, David. Now we go to the pharmacy.
Exactly. Let's imagine we're there.
Hello. How can I help you?
Hi. I'd like to collect my medicine, please. Here's my prescription.
Of course. Give me just a moment. Here you are.
Thank you. How should I take it?
Take 1 tablet twice a day, after meals. Drink plenty of water. Finish all the medicine, even if you start feeling better.
That's important. Many people stop too early.
Exactly. Always follow the doctor's instructions.
Before you leave, there's one more question you can ask.
Are there any side effects?
Exactly. The pharmacist might say, "This medicine may make you feel sleepy," or "You might feel a little dizzy." Knock, knock. How are you feeling now?
Much better. Oh, my headache is gone. My throat feels normal again. And I finally slept well.
Oh, that's wonderful. There's nothing better than feeling healthy again.
You know, David, today wasn't just about learning English.
You're right. It was about feeling confident. Sometimes people know English, but they panic when they visit a doctor.
Now our listeners know exactly what to say, from making an appointment to talking with the doctor. and collecting medicine.
And remember, if you're ever unsure, don't be afraid to ask. You can always say, "Could you repeat that, please?" Or, "Could you speak a little more slowly?"
Doctors and nurses are usually happy to help.
Let's see if you remember today's journey.
First, you make an appointment.
Then, you check in at reception.
After that, the nurse checks your vital signs.
Next, you talk to the doctor.
Then, you get a prescription.
Finally, you collect your medicine from the pharmacy.
See? It's not so scary after all.
We hope today's conversation helped you feel more confident speaking English at the doctor's office.
Tell us in the comments, have you ever visited a doctor in another country? Or what's one new word you learned today?
If you enjoyed this episode, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to EFC English, and share it with someone who's learning English.
Remember, every new conversation makes your English a little stronger.
Keep practicing, keep believing in yourself, and we'll see you in the next episode.
Take care, stay healthy, and goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye.